In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CapCut connection and loading issues on Android. If CapCut gets stuck on loading, shows a network error, or just won't connect, start by refreshing your internet connection. Switch on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, then turn it off. This quickly resets your phone's network radios and can clear minor glitches. If you're on Wi-Fi, turn Wi-Fi off and then back on so your device reconnects cleanly to the router. If you're using mobile data, toggle it off and on as well. Give it a moment to reestablish the signal, then return to CapCut and see if the issue is gone. If it's still acting up, restart the app. Close CapCut completely so it's not running in the background. On most Android devices, that means opening your recent apps view and swiping CapCut away to fully quit it. Then relaunch the app. A fresh start clears temporary hiccups that can block downloads, uploads, or project syncing. If the problem continues, clear CapCut's cache. Open your phone settings, tap Apps or App Manager, search for CapCut, and select it. Go to Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data. Clearing data removes the app's stored information, while clearing cache only removes temporary files that can become corrupted over time. After clearing the cache, close Settings and reopen CapCut to test again. This simple cleanup often fixes stubborn loading or network errors without affecting your projects. Still seeing the issue? Reinstall CapCut from the official store, uninstall CapCut from your device, then open the Google Play Store, search for CapCut, download, and install the official version. Launch the app and check if everything works properly. Reinstalling replaces any damaged files and ensures you're on a clean, up-to-date build. It's important to use the Play Store version because many connection and stability problems come from modified or unofficial downloads that don't update correctly or include unsupported changes. That's the full workflow. Refresh the connection, restart the app, clear the cache, and if needed, reinstall from the official source. Move through them in order, testing after each one so you don't spend time on fixes you don't need. With these steps, most CapCut connection and loading problems resolve quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more practical CapCut tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.